fam, how you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're just stopping by, I want to say a very huge thank you for tuning in. Thank you, my consistent, incredible returning subscribers. You are all welcome. So without wasting so much of your time, I just want to let you know today we are going to be making oha soup. Yes, you guys remember the last oha soup I did? Trust me, it was so delicious. So today I'm going to be doing another oha soup, but in this recipe I'm going to be using goat meat and beef tripe and pomo. You know that pomo that has very thick meat around it? Yes, that's what we are using today, and trust me, it's going to be an enjoying one. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. You will love it. And guys, you know what I have is dried oha, so what I'm going to be using to freshen it up is spinach. I got baby spinach, and I just want to use that spinach to make the greenish color come out good, because it's dried oha. You know, dried oha doesn't make the soup look like flashy. So I'm going to be using dried oha and spinach and uziza leaf, which is the right leaves for this oha recipe. So please stay tuned and enjoy this video, and trust me, it's going to be delicious. I'm using AD for this oha soup recipe, so stay tuned. Okay, let's get right into it. So here's my goat meat. First, I'm going to be adding my goat meat to the pot like so. I usually like goat meat with breast and all that, so I have some breast, and yeah, I'm going to add stockfish, and I'll set it rolling. I don't want to waste time. I have a couple of oha soup recipes, but this one I just want to go about it in a different way, add different type of vegetables just to make that green color. Next is my stockfish, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pot like so. Alright fam, so here are my peppers. I'm going to go ahead and blend these for my oha soup, okay? So here are my blended stuffs. I'm just going to go ahead and add all of this to my protein. I'll add some Maggi. I'm going to add 4 cubes of Maggi. Yeah. So you just want to add your salt at the same time, just a teaspoon or half spoon of salt, and then you just cover it up and let it start cooking. Yeah, there is onion, everything like you saw. You just cover it up, and so I'll let it come to a proper cook until everything is tender, and then I'll start adding other stuffs. Okay, stay tuned, guys.
45 minutes later.
I'm going to add some palm oil. Okay guys, I'm going to add my smoked fish. I have some snail. I'm going to go ahead and add this snail. This is oha soup. I want to enjoy it. I'm going to add some beef tripe. I'm going to add some kanda with enough meat in it. I remember when my mom used to use this kanda to cook soup. This is a very special kanda. Yeah, you know that kanda that has some meat. Oh my, this is a special one. So here is my cocoyam. I have ogiri in it already. I've gone ahead to pound this cocoyam with ogiri, so I don't want to waste time. Like I told you, this is just getting my family ready for the week. There's no single drop of soup in this house, and I just want to do what I I have to do so that it will be easier for me this week. Yeah, your special or hard delicate with cocoyam. Yeah. Fish, I'm going to go ahead and add my crayfish. I'm going to close it up and allow it to come to a boil before I start adding up the vegetable. Alright guys, we're going to check our soup. At this point you just want to give it a good stir and see how it's coming, it's thickening. You see that little eddy, see how beautifully thickened it came. So you just want to check your taste of your soup. So I'll just check the taste of my soup to know if everything is well combined. Oh my god, this soup tastes so good, guys. I told you all. At this point you want to go ahead and add your uziza leaf because this soup is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and add my uziza leaf. If you don't know uziza, but uziza is a very must leaf in this oha soup. Yeah, you must have uziza leaf in your oha soup. This just came from home, and I'm going to add this. Like I told you, my husband likes vegetable a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and add this oha, and then I'll add a little spinach just to give it the green color, because I don't like my soup, vegetable in my soup dark. So I don't like to see my vegetable dark in the pot of soup. So for that reason, I'm just going to close it up now to cook for just 2 minutes. So I want to give it a quick stir. Yeah, our oha soup is ready. So at this point I want to add my spinach just to give it that greenish fresh look. Yeah, turn down my heat. Turn down your heat at this point. Turn down that heat at this point so that your spinach doesn't get darkened as well. The reason for this spinach is because I want to achieve that greenish vegetable color in the soup. Okay, so our oha soup is ready, guys. So this is it for our Ofe Oha, guys. Yeah, this is so good. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Dish some soup. Oh my goodness, this is a serious oha soup, guys. Make sure you are giving me a like. Oh, this is a very special oha soup recipe. I know I have several oha soup recipe on my channel. Go and check it out. Make sure you leave me a massive thumbs up, guys. Yeah, you can use goat meat, you can use beef, you can use whatever protein you choose to use. See how beautiful. See how beautiful this oha soup is looking. I hope you give this a like, guys.
So guys, I hope you have loved this video.
If you have loved this video, please give me a thumbs up. Give your girl a thumbs up. And share to your friends and loved ones. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you've been watching till now and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Subscribe to Gucci's platform. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Guys, do you know what? Oha soup is one recipe I love. Especially during cold time. You guys know it's cold time. So I'm going to be pulling out those mom's recipes, you know, for cold season. Yes, that's what I'm going to be doing this season. So make sure you try it. Your children will love, your husband will love, and friends and loved ones will love it. Okay, I love Oha soup so much because anytime I call my mom, I'm coming home, I tell her, Ma, I want you to make me a delicious Oha soup. Trust me, with cocoyam. Oh my God, it used to be so delicious and interesting. Okay, with that snail. Oh my God, you can see that snail, even though it wasn't the big kind of snail. But with snail, oh my goodness, and all those delicious protein, those stock fish, those dried fish, oh my God, you're gonna enjoy Oha soup recipe. Thank you all for staying. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. See you in my next video. Bye.